Block sharpener. Will it sharpen a filed knife, homemade? You bet it will. Show you. Well, here. Squeeze them in there nice and tight. Draw through. Yeah. The rods are made to squeeze back so it follows the original edge. They're a titanium carbide. They rock well over 69, making it way harder than any factory-made knife and most handmade knives. You can hear it's getting smoother now.
Get easier, yeah.
And there it is.
Makes a difference.
It does.
Look at that.
Yeah.
When you get to
how much time do you put on that?
You just keep the pressure in it. Bring the back of the knife up.
It'll fit to any knife you put in there.
It'll adjust to your edge. Then when you get done to go to shaving sharp, use a leather strap, or you can use like old pizza box lid, cardboard. Cardboard works too. And what this is doing, it polishes. Bring it the other way. And once you polish them up,
oh yeah.
Shave.
You can see it'll shave. To go super sharp, use your hand as a leather or your arm. Flip that blade back and forth for a few minutes. That'll actually take you sharper again. The oils in your skin is all you need. And that'll take them, well, you've seen it, shaving sharp.
Makes it sharper than
Block sharpener, we will sharpen any blade. American made. Spyderco knife, will block sharpener sharpen it? You bet. Squeeze it in there tight, draw through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so they pick up the original edge, puts the original bevel back in the blade. We use a titanium carbide pin. They rock well over 69. Makes it almost impossible to wear out. And as you see, I'll do the hardest knives you got. They're quick, they're simple, anybody can do it.
It does a good job.
After you get it good and sharp on the sharpener, you take a piece of leather. That hones it out more, it polishes, takes them up in the arm shaving sharp. There you go, how's that feel?
Great damn job.
It's like a razor.
I do 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. We offer a lifetime guarantee and we're American made. I can also do serrades with these. Roll a serrated knife in the middle, it will not chew them up. I've done every style possible. Way sharper than new. Block sharpener, we will do any blade. The new wavy serrated knife by Cricket. Show you it works. Anything that has teeth, if I roll them in the middle, we found out it will not hurt them. It makes it vibrate, chatters through the teeth, top to bottom. Takes that serrate sharp as it can get. Can you tell the difference on that? Feel that?
Yeah, I can actually.
You see what it did? Alright, now watch this front. I'll show you how I do that. On a smooth edge, these rods are made to squeeze back so they follow that original bevel. You don't want to devalue a knife. When you draw it through there, they work like a chef's steel. They line your blade up, puts the original bevel up as sharp as it can get. They're quick, they're simple, anybody can do it. If anyone else has got a knife here, I'll show you the difference. Use leather or cardboard when you're done, that'll get them a little bit sharper again. American made, lifetime guaranteed.
Thank you, sir.
Anytime. Do them today, 20 each, 2 for 30. 2 for 30?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright. If you wear them out, bring them back, we'll give you a new one. I'm here all the time. Use them on anything you can find with a cutting edge. A little drop of oil too on the pins help. Just a little drip in the cross section. Any kind of oil works.
Is that like before sharpening it?
Yeah. Keep them oily. The pins won't get dirty that way. Thanks. Appreciate you guys. In the Philippines. Very hard steel. We squeeze them in there tight. When you draw it through, our rods squeeze back so they follow that original bevel. You're not tearing the metal out of the blade, you're putting that original edge up as sharp as it'll get. They're quick, they're simple, anybody can do it. Yeah. Look at that, I feel sharper? Yeah, it's sharp. Gets it good. We're American made, lifetime guaranteed. We put our last name and website on the handle. I do them today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Anyone else carry a knife?
No, sí, Pablo, el mejor, los mejores de los mejores. Estos aquí son los mejores cuchillos que existen aquí en Estados Unidos. Venga a ver a Pablo siempre. Mire el nombre aquí, lo mejor de lo mejor. Usted viene aquí y lo consigue el hombre bien barato, bueno, bonito y barato. Gracias, mi gente.
Biggest hatchets you got. Steel knife. Put them in there. These pins rock over 69. And this particular item, roll it in the middle on one side, bevel down the other. We found out our sharpener will not hurt them. It vibrates it, covers through the teeth. The other rod will pick up on the edge, all the way through the whole tooth from the top to the bottom. They said we're American made. I'll take any charade you got, way sharper than new. Sharpener. Feel that? Does that feel sharper? Anyone else carry a knife? Got a knife? There you go. We don't say we're the best. Steak knives, bread knives, electric knives, I've done them all. What is that? It's American made knife sharpener. It's called the block sharpener. We put our last name on the handle. We offer a lifetime guarantee. On the smooth edge, you draw through on this side. The rods are made to flex, so they follow the original edge. We do put our last name on the handle along with our website. We offer lifetime guarantees no matter where you get them. You won't devalue a good knife. Battle axe. They put that original edge back on. They're quick, they're simple, they're American made.
She was pretty good.
I do these for 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Sharpeners are made to flex so they pick up on the original edge. We put our last name and our website right on our sharpener's handle. See, it works. You will get shaving sharp. 100% American made, lifetime guaranteed. The block sharpener will sharpen any blade.
Acabé de comprarlo otra vez. Es awesome. No, tengo como 4 en la casa.
American made knife sharpener.
Dixie's finest is the best. Dixie's finest is the best.
100% American made. We'll sharpen anything with a blade. That easy. Anyone got a pocket knife? Sharpening them free here today. Got American made knife sharpeners. I'll prove I got the best knife sharpener around today. Watch this. I'm doing hatchet head, stainless steel, 440, German, Damascus. These pins rock well over 69. I'll get the hardest knife you got, good and sharp. Made in America, not in the donga. 2 for 30, guys. Anyone else carry a knife? I'll show you guys they work. Don't cost you nothing. I'll sharpen any blade. They're 100% American made. You run big old hatchets through there, cleavers, garden tools. Run them through there. As long as you got some bevel on them. One side flat, hold the flat side against the pin. So we're American made. I'll sharpen any blade. Anyone else carry a knife? Prove it's the best. Y'all carrying any knives? Show you guys. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Keep the pins oily. They'll last forever. Any trouble with them? I'm here all the time. Bring them back. We'll give you new ones.
Best knife sharpener around. I used to sell them. They are fantastic. It does every knife and every axe. It does even these kind of axes. It's awesome. I swear by it. Buy it. It's cool.